So to run and set up or adjust consolidation reports, they're going to be here in your consolidation financial reports area. If you've bought the domestic consolidation feature, if you are manually consolidating and you have created your own financial report with expanded locations and entities in a consolidating balance sheet, they're going to be in your normal reports, financial reports area. Okay, but I'm going to use the consolidation financial reports area, the ones that come if you buy the domestic feature. So I'm going to edit this balance sheet here. And I'm going to come in here to the columns. And this is where I would expand or collapse my different levels here. So my locations / entities. So location and entities are kind of synonymous in the system. So I'm going to expand this out or summarize or bring them down into a different one level down with roll up kind of situation. Okay. So all levels with roll up is going to expand out my locations, my entities all the way, and it's going to have a total columns. The one level down with roll up will expand my entity and my locations in a little more of a summarized level. So it might just have all of my locations grouped together and my entity transactions only. So you want to play with these different levels and you want to see how it looks. A good thing to do is to hit this preview live report while you're playing with those levels to see which one works best for you. Okay, so this is all levels. So all of my locations and my entities, my two entities I've consolidated, are showing with total columns. Okay, so play with the roll up and the location here and do a preview and see which one is the one that you want, how expanded out you want them. Okay, so this one is just going to show my locations and entities, for example, just to show you the difference with should do it without a total. So now I just have Timberline Development, my locations, and then there's no total columns. You can see this shrunk down. There's no entity total column anymore. So just play with that, see how you like that. You can, as you know, probably know by now, you can email, you can dump this to Excel, you can print this to PDF or to the screen here and download. Okay, so running these reports is the same as you would run any other financial report. You're going to come here into financial reports. You can process and store them in the system, and Intact is a hard snapshot of that financial statement. You can pull it up like I just did in the HTML on-screen version, or I can dump it directly to CSV, PDF, Excel, or I can schedule these reports to be run. Okay. Remember too, you can automatically email these out. You can dump your financials to a OneDrive folder and schedule those out to be dumped out. You can do report groups and schedule them out so that my balance sheet and my profit and loss here is in a report group scheduled to go out via email or to my OneDrive folder on the 15th of the month. So there's different things you can do in the system to run your financial reports and reports in general and schedule them and make the automation of Intact very useful for you. Okay, so editing the report, again, is just like editing any other financial report. You're just going to come into your consolidation area if you've bought that domestic feature. And that's where these two preset balance sheet and P&Ls will be. If you want to duplicate, if you want to keep the canned ones and then create your own version, play around, do some different things in here, you can do that as well. And we do have resources available to help you if you get stuck in the customization. So please feel free to reach out to us to respond to the bottom of the YouTube video here, and we will be more than happy to help you.